I've got myself an assortment of 921 wedge style LED lamps that I'm going to try in the stove hood. It's kind of hard to see up in there, but if we get down low, there is our bulb right up here. So to remove that bulb, get our hand up in here and just kind of sort of rock it a little bit. It might take two hands to do that, one to hold the socket. There we go. And orient the new lamp correctly. And slide it into place. It is kind of difficult. It fits sort of tight, which is typical for these LEDs. I'm just going to try a couple of these and see which one looks the nicest. That one seems to be a little bit brighter. Let's turn off some of my interior lights and I can probably get a better judge of which one's brighter. And close my door too. Let's go back to the first one I tried. Yeah, that one's definitely not very bright compared to this third one I tried, so let's switch back to the second one. And the second one is actually the brightest. I will include a link in the description below as far as which lamp that is.